Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert common fraction equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our document. Now we want to insert common fraction equation in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click the equation, then click the insert new equation. Then we can see here insert a box, but this box have a not equation. We click the box and go to the design menu, then click the fraction drop down menu, then choose any common fraction. Now I select the fraction and we can see we insert common fraction equation in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.